Now see, here's another thought for you too. I told my wife I would have this done like in 2 days. I've got to go back down and see my mother over the weekend, and I assured her I'd get the ceiling fan up, and she wanted this one up first. That's why I was working on that one. Well, once I get all this stuff inspected and stuff, if I ultimately make the determination if I cannot access this area, I'm not going to open this up just yet. Okay, I'm going to go up to the main floor in another bedroom, basically set up like this one here, where I can access the attic, and I can do the same thing like I was going to do here. Fish a wire from the smoke alarm on over to the ceiling fan location, and maybe that's the one I'm going to do next if I cannot make the determination. So see, you always got to be thinking about your project. My project's kind of morphed into something different than I was expecting. You gotta learn how to go with the flows, okay, and still get your stuff done, because no sense pulling this all apart if I can't finish it and patch the walls and ceiling and skim it, sand it, top it, texture it, prime it, paint it, put the ceiling fan up. I can't do all that in 2 days. And so these two bedrooms may have to sit here for a while until I do the other one, until I have more time and I know what's involved with it. But you know, I'm just thinking out loud here, because I'm going to do this next before I say I give up. You see what I mean? I'm still going to check this out and see if there's some way above the bathroom if I can access these two bedrooms a different way. I just don't know if that's possible or not, but we'll know soon enough. And if I can't access it, then I'll have to decide. Okay, then I'll put the plywood back up there, screw it back. I'll put the smoke alarm back up in here, rehook that back up, turn the smoke alarm back on, reset the smoke alarm, get everything vacuumed, get everything pulled back out of these rooms, make it look like I was never here before I go on to the next area. You see what I mean? Hey, step by step, stick with me. We'll get certain things figured out. And hey, I'm just showing you all this stuff because not everything is going to be cut and dried for your project too. No projects are exactly the same, but the thought process could be partially the same, or this might give you different ideas for what you can check for your house as well. Hey, always learn. I never know what I'm going to say next on my videos, so the more you watch my videos, the more you're going to learn. Even if you think you know what I'm going to say, I don't need to watch this next 10, 15 minutes. What's he going to say? Maybe you only catch one snippet of a 30-second snippet over the 10 minutes, and that's the part you were supposed to learn for your project. You see what I mean? And you never would have gotten that light bulb aha moment had you not watched the 10-minute video. And that's kind of how it is with any of my videos. The more you watch, the more you learn. That's just how it works. Okay, see what I had to do up here? I had to disconnect this, had to pull this plywood off, had to pull this other plywood off that was notched around there, take this insulation out so that I can see back in there. And I'm going to have to shine my flashlight up there so that you can see what's going on, okay? Okay, actually, I've got my construction light. I'm going to set my construction light up. I've got a long extension cord, and I'll put it in there and do a little bit of explaining for you so you can see what I'm up against.